Hi, we are going camping. I didn't know we were going camping today, but he planned it while he was at work.
We're going up to the place I proposed, and then she said, "Are you for real?" Wait, no, she said, "Wait, is this for real?" And we're gonna make some dinner, set up the truck bed tent, and just enjoy some camping.
For dinner tonight, we're gonna have steak, potato, and some better good, like water, sparkling water. They don't need to know that. They don't need it. But enjoy this mini vlog. We just stopped at Dollar General to get some marshmallows and some sausages for tomorrow morning, and it took us forever to find hot cocoa.
Yeah, buddy! Let win, baby!
And now we're going to the mountains. What are you doing?
Just airing down the tires a little so it's not rubbing.
Feeling a little wheezy, but that's okay. It's probably because it's really dark outside.
A little claustrophobic. I'm not sure how the shocks are on the truck either. It's a little jumpy.
So we're out here. Micah made a fire, doing pretty good, and we just made dinner. Come look. Gotta turn on my light. We made steak with potatoes and Texas toast, garlic Texas toast. And Micah made some hot cocoa. Doing pretty good.
What time is it?
S'mores time.
Look at my s'more stick. This is a nice one. And Cece's very bent. Very, you know what? But I think it's probably gonna roast that marshmallow pretty good. So we definitely forgot to show our s'mores. How were they though?
They were great.
You ready to set up the tent?
Yes. Hi. We just built the tent, and now I'm trying to get this open so I can put the sleeping bags out so we're not freezing tonight.
It's pretty spacious in there, huh?
Yes.
This is how it sets up on the outside of the truck. So we just woke up. It's a little before 8. We had to sleep in a little bit, which is nice. We're gonna make some breakfast, and maybe tour around, see what's near here. Maybe go on a hike if we can find one. Just have some fun. Oh, also check out our quaint little creekside campground. So this is actually right where I proposed to Cece. It's right here. I have a blanket right here. I have my guitar, play a little guitar, park the Jeep. I think it was right there. Backed it up right in there. We were here for like not very long, enough to just propose, and then we pretty much popped out to go to the engagement party. So that's pretty cool to be back here. There's a rope swing over there. What are the odds you go on the rope swing?
1 out of a million.
Okay.
1, 2,
3, wait, hold on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 457,000.
7,532.
You started after me. There's also a cinder block in the water right below it. I feel like it's just my hand.
For breakfast, we have our sausage, bacon, and super uber duper deep fried eggs. I had too much grease in the pan, but we're living and we're learning, so. The battery's about to die and we're headed to McKaysville, so if we have enough battery, I'll show some clips, but thanks for joining us. Oh, oh.
Okay, we didn't actually get any footage from McKaysville, but we did get some Polaroids, so I'll throw those in here. And now we're just doing some more off-roading, I guess. But we're gonna enjoy off-roading. See you guys later.